Yeah. Now I'm cruising on Chrome with the brand new tool. Yeah, Pabbly Connect web clipper, now that's the jewel. Here, select any text and I'm feeling real cool. And I'll read it to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Quarter heart flows tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with Glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. So hobbies got my back, no need to feel queasy. I'm so Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Hello, add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Hard, manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Just select the text and it's history. If they host, Google Sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Move to Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. I saw Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Dates and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Always got my back, it's automation time. So my Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep.